Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So, today we're going to unbox the Crystal Council box. So, I always forget the price of this box. I think it's $35 a month. They bill you around, like, this box was paid for last month. So it's around this time of the month, around the 20th, 21st. They take the money out and then you get the box. I've had this for about 5 days. So around the 15th, 14th of the following month. Anyway, this is the Crystal Council box. You can look them up on crystalcouncil.com. They have all different types of subscription boxes, but they also sell crystals and other things. So, let me pause this and grab my glasses. Okay, I want to apologize for the air conditioner running in the background. We're in a really weird weather thing. It says it's 78 degrees out, but the humidity is really high. So I'm in the upstairs of my house, and it's more stuffy up here. So I have the air on for a little bit. It was off, but I started getting a little bit sweaty. So there's that. All right, so all I did was cut it open and take my address off. And that's what she looks like. So the first thing in here, it's called triangle breathing. Let's read the card first before we figure out what this is. All right, so Crystal Council August newsletter. Dear subscriber, August reminds us that life doesn't always have to move at full speed. This month encourages you to pause, take a deep breath, and appreciate how far you've come before rushing towards what's next. There is wisdom in slowing down, celebrating small victories, and giving yourself time to recharge. By creating space for rest and reflection, you allow new ideas, inspiration, and opportunities to find their way to you. Let August be a gentle reminder that balance is just as important as ambition. The lunar events this month are August 28th is the full moon. The zodiac transitions are Virgo, which happens on August 23rd. So, all right. So this says subscriber exclusive, a little self-care. The breathing exercise card, which is this. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is take a deep breath. This breathing exercise card is a simple reminder to slow down, calm your mind, and reconnect with the present whenever life feels overwhelming. So it'll say, breathe in and count to 3, hold and count to 3, breathe out, count to 3. So you would follow the triangle. And then on the other side, it says, trace the finger around the labyrinth and feel the sense of calm. So there's a labyrinth on the back. There's also plant-based, jeez, cream. Treat yourself with care. This nourishing cream is made with botanical extracts, aloe, shea butter, and vitamin E to leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. A small daily ritual can go a long way. And this is chamomile hand and body cream. It looks like that. I don't know why everything's so blurry. Does it seem blurry? It's just my eyes. It's just my eyes. Alrighty then. Okay, so with every box you get a scroll. There's a little heart on the little wax thing. So it tells you everything crystal-wise that's in your box. And I like to roll it backwards just so we can read it a little easier. Alright, there we go. So, August has a way of reminding us to appreciate the journey instead of always chasing the destination. So much has happened since the year began, and this month offers the chance to recognize the strength, wisdom, and resilience you've gained along the way. Crystals can help you stay connected to those lessons while encouraging you to welcome whatever comes next with an open heart. Sometimes the greatest growth comes from simply realizing how far you've already come. This month we've crafted your box around knowledge, opportunities, strength, and intuition. So, all right. So the first one is a sunstone. Comes in a little baggie. Oops. This is really pretty. The orange in it. Sunstone is a beautiful piece. Twirling it around will display a mirage of colors and hues. The rays vibrate at a very high level and pushes one's independence, personal freedom, and strength to the limit. This stone is supposed to act as a reflection into yourself to remind you just how strong you truly are. Much like the sun itself, you are very powerful and can shine bright in any situation. This special crystal helps one focus on the good and what's best for you and the ones closest to you. Very pretty. Alright, now a lot of your crystals will come wrapped like this. I don't know what the scissors are. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Alright, so this is Kambaba Jasper. Is what this is. Ooh. Okay. That is beautiful. Wow. Beautiful as it flies across the room. It landed right on a scarf. Look at the little light in there. You see it? Oh, that's so cool. Alright, why are you flying out of my hand like that? So I'll read to you. Kambaba Jasper is an extremely old stone dating back to 3 billion years ago. This crystal helps one achieve emotional balance throughout the day, and it helps keep one's cool during times of distress. Kambaba Jasper powers are strong enough to finally put you back in the driver's seat of your life. Simple things such as socializing, working with colleagues, and even forming long-lasting relationships will feel natural and easier than ever before. This special combination of minerals helps one feel comfortable with themselves and their surroundings. It's very beautiful, and the energy on it's really nice. I mean, I will cleanse it, but... Alright. So we have onyx. I have lots of onyx. Black onyx is formed by deposits of silica within the gas cavities of lava. It's known as one of the stronger protection stones, and its main power is in its defense and absorption of negative energies. This stone acts as a shield to protect one from hostile energies within a workspace, home, or in uncomfortable environments. Onyx raises one's confidence level, making them feel more safe and secure in any situation, while also pushing you to try new and different activities. I use black onyx on my window seals a lot of times to keep negative energy out. and above door frames. I keep one in my purse to keep negative away from me. Just some ways I use it. Alright, the next thing is a quartz geode. It's wrapped. I love geodes. You guys know what geodes are? I think my air conditioner is breaking down. It's making some very weird noises. I'm going to have to check it. Ooh. So a geode, it comes like a rock, and then you break it open, and then you see what's inside of it. So, quartz geodes are natural wonders that form when mineral-rich solutions seep into hollow cavities within rock, slowly crystallizing over time into dazzling displays of quartz points. From the outside, they often appear as ordinary stones, but once opened, they reveal sparkling crystal interiors that capture the beauty of Earth's hidden processes. Energetically, quartz geodes act as amplifiers, radiating positive vibrations outward while also drawing in and transmuting negative energy. They are often used to cleanse and recharge other crystals, making them powerful tools for anyone working with energy or meditation. Quartz geodes also encourages spiritual growth and clarity, helping you access higher states of awareness while staying grounded in the present. So, I'm trying to do it so it don't go dark. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so that is my Crystal Council box for August. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please go check them out, crystalcouncil.com. I'll put a link down below in the description. So we got the quartz geode, the onyx, the Kababa jasper, which is absolutely stunning, and the sunstone. Alright, and lots of nice calming cards. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Please like and subscribe. Subscribing is free. Join our family. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.